Flip and Customize. Be sure you hit that subscribe button not to miss an episode either. Today we got the 98 SS S10 in here with the 4.3 liter V6 Vortec engine. Driving it the other day, it developed a skip. Reared up with the scanner and it had a misfire on cylinder number 4. I have not had the truck very long, so I started digging into it, pulled a few plugs. Plugs are almost brand new. The wires look almost new, and the cap from the exterior looked almost new. The older folks that had it before me, the truck just kind of sat around a lot in a garage. So I went ahead and pulled the distributor cap itself off, and lo and behold, it's got the aluminum contacts on it, which were extremely corroded to the point where I'm surprised the truck was even running, let alone one cylinder misfire. So what I wanted to talk about today was a comparison between the copper and the aluminum. Everything used to be copper on the contacts underneath the distributor, and they moved away from that, and now it's become, I don't want to say a luxury, but more of a high performance or a higher end item to get a copper contacted distributor versus the aluminum. So let me pop this one off. We're going to do just a comparison, just kind of show you the differences. And quality wise, I'm a firm believer in the copper, and that's what's going back on this one. I picked up a high output Dragonfire distributor cap rotor that we're going to pop back on this one. So let me get this one off. Distributor cap rotor off, and I got lucky that the fasteners actually came out of the distributor, because a lot of times they break right off. However, on the rotor I didn't get so lucky. One came out. The fastener didn't break, but it stripped out. Excuse the blue marker on my hand. So anyway, I just pulled the rotor off, and I was able to get the screw out, which was great. So we got lucky there. But getting back on the comparison, and like I said on the, if you see the contacts and everything on this thing, you can tell it's been sitting. It's been sitting a while. We got a lot of corrosion in here, lots of corrosion. I actually, like I said, I ground these down a week ago so I could keep driving the truck, so it could make some decent connections on there, but it's pretty darn bad. And even in here, there's no corrosion in here, but these are aluminum as well. So this is an aluminum, cheaper aftermarket one, okay? This is the new one from Dragonfire, and everything on it has got the brass connection. Almost forgot one other thing worth mentioning. I always put some dielectric grease in and around, I haven't spread it out yet, around the terminals. Provide some good electrical contact connections. This is the dielectric grease right here. Right there, but any old dielectric grease you can get at any auto parts store. Provide some good contact, longevity, and if you put it around the outside here, the spark plug leads actually will come off instead of ripping them apart because they bonded to the plastic. Distributor cap rotor replacement on this GM 4.3 V6, and a comparison between like the brass contacts and the aluminum. Not a hard job. It isn't the easiest to get to, and if the fasteners that hold the cap down break, the job gets to be a pain in the butt. But anyway, we got lucky with this one overall. I think purrs like a kitten. We got that done. Another thing to mention is when your cap and rotor's off, take a good look at the distributor itself down in there and blow that out with some compressed air and stuff, and any debris or anything that's floating around in there, we'll get that out of there as well and put that cap down. So thanks for tuning in. This is Flip and Customize. Please hit that subscribe button for some more content. We've got a lot of good stuff coming out in 2021. Thanks, guys.